Hi, everyone. I'm Kurt Michael, the Chief Revenue Officer at Kiteworks. I'm pleased to announce a strategic partnership between Wasabi and Kiteworks, bringing together affordable cloud storage with secure file transfer capabilities in one integrated solution. This partnership delivers key advantages for organizations managing sensitive data. You'll benefit from seamless integration between storage and secure transfers with automated data migration and ongoing operations. The combined solution provides complete audit logging with governance controls, end-to-end protection for sensitive information, and simplified regulatory compliance across multiple standards. For your business, this means optimizing costs while significantly reducing security and compliance risks. We're transforming how you manage data throughout its entire life cycle, from storage to secure sharing, with complete visibility and control. And to make it easier for you, the integrated solution is available now through Climb Channel Solutions. If you want to learn how this partnership could transform your approach to secure data management, please visit the Climb Channel Solutions website and our Kiteworks and Wasabi landing page. Thank you.